It's your boy Jay. We are back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set a campaign up with the web page as I'm giving away for free promoting this product. Today we're going to promote Sonus Complete. It's a 1090s product. I have a website I built for it, and you guys can have my website for free. I'll leave it in the description below. This is the website I'm giving away for free. A review page of Sonus Complete. If you guys don't have ClickFunnels, when you click on my website, go to the bottom right hand corner. Just click this little button right here. Get a free 14-day trial. So head on over. Start a new campaign. Search ads. Next. Sonus Complete. Budget, I'm gonna say about $120 a day. Canada, United States, uncheck this. All right, on the second page, I'm gonna enter these keywords. Sonus Complete reviews, discount, supplement. Gonna do exact match and phrase match. Make keyword lists, copy. Paste that over here to the keywords box. Move on to the next step. And we're gonna put Sonus Complete Official. $80% off. 80% off today only. Free shipping. Order now. Come over to the tracking template. Click over Click Magic. Put the Click Magic tracking template link in. Tracking template. Slash query string. Head back over to Click Magic, grab our actual link. Copy this link into here. Paste. All right, and this is how it should look. Sonus Complete 80% off today only. Free shipping, 6-day money back guarantee. This is how your ad should look right here. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna copy that ad. Create a new ad. In this ad, we're gonna say, get rid of tendinitis. Second ad should look like this. Get rid of tendinitis, 80% off today only. Gonna hit save. Copy. This one gonna say Sonus Complete reviews. All right, so we're gonna scroll down to the bottom. Save and continue. Gonna do maximum clicks, CPC. Instead of enhance, we're gonna bid $5. $5. I won't let me change this. Oh, I guess because it's already set up here. All right. Scroll to the bottom, add distribution, Bing and AOL only. Saving. There we go. I'm gonna leave this funnel in the description below, along with a bunch of bonus funnels you guys can use. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram @JWillTV. You guys have a good day.